What's up, everyone? So we're inside my makeshift spray booth here, and I have just finished washing all of the parts with soap and water. I just finished masking off the front and rear fenders. We're going to clean everything else with a degreaser, and then we will wipe them all down with acetone. We'll scuff them all up with 400 grit wet sand, and then we'll spray them with a primer. All right, so stay tuned.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Alright, everyone, the parts are all sanded and washed off. They're just drying now. So when they finish drying, I will clean them off one more time to get, the remainder of that residue off. And then we will prime these puppies. And I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm tired. So
This is a Tricky Beat production.
So I have the base coat on, it's all white, and right now I'm mixing up some metallic blue, and that's going to be my secondary color, trim color. I'm going to shoot this probably 2-3 layers, then I'll shoot some black, and then we'll be ready to clear coat and call it done. This is a Tricky Beat production. This is a Tricky Beat production. Okay, so all the black has been sprayed. It's dried overnight. It is the next morning, and right now what I'm doing is I'm putting in some red vinyl pinstriping between the blue and the white. I don't think I'm going to do it the entire bike, but certainly in some areas. And this is going to be the most tricky area right in here. as we get these bends. I'm a bit concerned there. I've read and watched a lot of videos that said I should not do this under the clear coat, but I really want it under the clear coat. I want it to stay. So I'm gonna try it, and if it doesn't work, I mean, it's a track bike, so you know, it'll come off. It's not the end of the world. So we're gonna do that that striping here and around the outside here, and certainly, like I said, down here and the side. So let's get to it.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Alright, so all the parts have been cleaned, wiped down, tacked. I'm going to tack them one more time right before I shoot. But we're going to mix up some clear here, and I'm going to do something that every professional painter recommends that I don't do. I'm going to mix some blue pearl in my clear coat. Now they recommend that I don't do this because I'm a beginner and I'm a novice, and there's a good chance it's going to run. But again, this is a track bike. The painting is not perfect, so I want to try this and see how it goes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix some blue, what is this called? Shimmering Boosted Blue Pearl that I got from Eastwood. And I'm going to mix that directly into my clear, and we're going to shoot. What's up, everyone? It's Derek again. We are back in the spray booth. And after taking a good look at the what we were calling the finished product in the sunlight, I really didn't like how the clear came out. Of course, it ran, and it came out a little bit too blue. So I'm back in here. I masked up everything last night, and we're going to reshoot all the white areas so that they're white, and then I'll re-clear everything again. So, you know, live and learn. I think I know what I did wrong. We're going to correct that, and we're going to try it again, see how it comes out. That's what it's about, right? So follow along. So I've reshot all of the panels in the areas that were going to be white. My next step now is I'm going to wet sand with 2000. I'm going to wet sand with 2000 to remove some of the overspray of the white that got on there. And then I will, I still got to touch up because I removed some runs there, so I got to get some more blue. I'll reshoot the blue tomorrow, but I'll wet sand all of this so that it's nice and ready for clear, and we'll go from there. So the reason I'm wet sanding at 2000 Because if you remember, the blue areas have already been cleared. So, and I have a little bit of white overspray on those, so I'm wet sanding those there. I'm not going to wet sand the white areas, obviously. That's still setting. So, I'm going to leave that alone. But I do want to get off little areas like this here. Like this here. Just wet sand that right off.